Hi, when using QTrobot we need to make sure that QTrobot is safely placed. The QTrobot comes with a platform which helps QTrobot be more stable. This will help QTrobot to not knock over in case of a push. So let's see how to assemble it. So let's take the robot and slowly put it on the table. Make sure that the arms don't go below the body. Peel off the feet cover. Take the platform and place it on the feet as it's drawn on the platform. Take one screw, align it with the hole, and just tighten a bit so that it holds on. So take the next screw, align it properly with the hole, and tighten it completely. After you're done with this one, you can go back to the first one and tighten it completely. You can lift up the robot and place it on the table. Okay, now that you saw how to assemble it, let's make sure that QTrobot is safely placed. Before turning it on, place the QTrobot on a flat surface, away from the table edges and away from any source of humidity. Also, you can place it towards the wall, and this will help QTrobot to not fall over. So, to turn it on, we just take the cable and we plug it back in the QTrobot. The QTrobot will turn on immediately, but we'll need to wait a bit until the QTrobot is ready to use. First thing that you will see is that the QTrobot face comes up and the arm goes up, but the QTrobot will be completely ready to use when you see the yawning face expression. So like you saw now, the QTrobot is ready to use. So let's imagine you're done with using the QTrobot. And now we will need to show you how to safely turn it off. To turn off the QTrobot, you just press the button that is behind the QTrobot. And when you press it, the QTrobot will slowly go to neutral position and the screen will go black. This doesn't mean that QTrobot is completely off. If you unplug it in this situation, you can damage the software. So it's better to wait until the blue screen shows up, and that will mean that the QTrobot is completely off. Now you see the blue screen, and now I can safely unplug it. We recommend that if you're not using QTrobot, keep it unplugged and stored in a safe space. You can also use QTrobot's original box to store it.